Hello and welcome. I hope are you doing well. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Today I try to explain you a little bit when you trade or when you why to trade. Okay, and I took some trades. This is my Friday to Tuesday today, like 3 day history. This one I took like some trade Friday to Tuesday, and I don't want to go explain why I took that trade or why I took this trade. I don't want to typically to recap. I want to make this video only about when you stay away from market. Like today is Tuesday, okay? And when my boss is bearish, well last day, like Monday, market build this liquidity. Okay, before sleeping I saw this equal lows. I was thinking market maybe trade in this region, okay? Remain in this region, here to here. Market trade between this, and when open London such a market trade higher and trade to downside. If I see price action like that, my bias is before London open, my bias is bearish, okay? If I saw this kind of price action. And then I saw to London session make so much consider market trade downside, but market try to build a liquidity to upside. This is clear liquidity for me. Okay, I try to enter trade for this equal this. Okay, you see market left. This all liquidity for me. My bias was is 2 day liquidity to upside. Also is liquidity to downside. I was thinking, okay, market punches liquidity and pretend market price pretend like that. People saying break of structure, then market slowly do like that. Okay, this is my bias. I was thinking that one. I took trade. I saw beautiful price action when open London. This is London open price action. Market not broke this one, this high. You see, market left equal high. I was thinking I try to capture this one. I entered first. My entry missed because my for my stop loss. I use two people stop loss. You see, here is a little bit there, but two pay my stop loss. Here you see, okay. Market came 187 and broke structure to the downside. This is not good sign to trade. Okay, for me. Okay, some people is love to see range. Okay, they love to see range. I love to see market broke range, market broke any range, and grab liquidity and trade any side or bearish or bullish. Okay, I participate that one, and that was my strategy of for liquidity. Where is liquidity? Okay, when I saw this one, I I was thinking this market. I was thinking this market may be remained in range, build liquidity to both sides. You see, this is New York open. This is liquidity. Market still bearish, but market not grab this one. Okay. And market not broke strongly structure. Why I was thinking this is liquidity. If market do like that, this will mean market now is market left this for future. market came back for future. And right now we participate bullish market. Okay, but market not did like that. You see, market is in the range. I was expecting. I will not trade. I stopped trade when I saw this price action market not broke this one. I was thinking now I participate if market broke this one or broke this one. If market broke this one, then I looking for sell. Okay, broke. Then I try to look sell or buy according to my plan, according to my strategy, according to my method. Not method, but according to my plan. And other thing, if market grab this one and then wants to trade higher and then I participate for buying. Or market trade to downside, I looking for sell. Okay, but right now market not broke anything and I am not trading today. I took 2 trade. For me it's enough because price action is very market in range. Price action not give me very strong indication to go anywhere. Price action giving me indication for remaining in range and build liquidity to the both side. This happen lots when market wants to make little bit retracement on higher time frame. What is mean that? Mean that this market building liquidity to point of to the order block or any demand zone or any strong support zone like that, and market is bearish on higher time frame. Okay, market retrace in higher time frame, then market trade like that. First condition this one, second this one, trade this one like that. Okay, right now market not giving me any indication to go lower and higher. And this is important to understand. When this market not broken structure, I was thinking now market broke right now. In this pattern, market have to broke. Market didn't. And I decided to stay away from the market. I was thinking now market maybe make a range or when open New York market grab this liquidity to the downside, this liquidity. But market, you see, market tap, some smart money trader looking for buy, they make money today because market in range. Also here, okay, is the reason to understand market to scale your SLs. If you try to enter in market according to your plan, but you did not understand price action, your plan did not work for, in my perspective. Okay, and this is important to understand when market remain in range. Okay, the market, it's not mean you did not have entries. I had entries on London session. Okay, but market had not tapped my entries. When I saw market not willing to cross it, I tried to stay away. And same goes to this pair. You see, this didn't broke anything. Grab and market broke structure downside. And respecting higher time frame, you see, okay, market this market this high violated, build liquidity, and then violated this high. And after that, market not willing to trade higher. So market, okay, grab liquidity. Now market need to grab this liquidity. Why do you think if market grab this liquidity, what is the next price after grabbing any liquidity? Market try to grab other side of liquidity. It's mean market grab this liquidity. Now market ready to grab this liquidity to downside. You see, market this low is not market crossing. Okay, and after that, there's all liquidity, and market not willing to cross this high. Okay, need to clean it a bit. Not this high, market not want to cross this high and this low. Market still in range. What is very easy to trade? Very easy. It's not easy. Trade is very difficult to trade in this market. But easy when you in trend. Okay. When market in trend, easy to trade. Okay. First thing. Second thing. When market in range, grab liquidity to upside, and you understand now market in range. When market in range, grab liquidity, market try to grab other liquidity to downside. If market made this low and after this low market remained in range, this high after this high market remain in this range. When market grab this liquidity to high of range, and after that market grab lower side most of the time. This is understandable. Now someday market remain in this range. Market are not willing to cross. You see, it's oh sorry, this low to this high. Okay, market still in there, and now it's New York like 2 hour. I think 2 hours after London, New York Open. 2 hours ago, yes, 2 hours ago, but market still in range. Okay, if market wants to remain in the range, market need to grab this liquidity. Daily liquidity market need. This happen every single day. Market need or grab liquidity on daily basis. You see, market grab this one. Okay, this is Asian liquidity. Market grab and market again grab this one and trade to downside. See, market broke this low, and respected this low, this single range, this one. Higher time frame, this is a single range. Okay, market trade in this range. I hope I understand this a bit, and I try to explain every single day something with new concept or new things according to how I read price action and how I understand price action according to me. I was looking to sell this market. Okay, that's why I draw this arrow. Well, in previous video, okay, previous video section of video, when you see previous section of video, I said when market make range, market grab liquidity, a range liquidity, and then trade to the upper hand. That's why I'm looking for sell in this region. And I was where this is liquidity grab move, and I draw this line for liquidity and this line. Market didn't come back for my sell limits, and if market came back, for example, let's assume market trade like that, and my break even trade in this region, I put my SL to break even in this when market crossed this one to downside, and I tried to partial when market took liquidity, this liquidity, and my final is to the downside. I hope you understand what I said, and in previous section of video, that's concept I was explaining. Thank you very much.